Here we have an Orbic Q10. This is how we install Verus and Acurast on the same phone. First thing we need to do is head to the Play Store. And then we install a QR code scanner. My favorite one to use is the one by GammaPlay. Install. It's only going to take a few seconds, so we can wait. Next, we install Userland. And install. This will also take
Install
just
Userland.
a few seconds, maybe a minute. Now we have both applications installed. We're going to start by running Userland.
Double click on Userland.
And start Ubuntu.
Ubuntu.
It's okay. Allow. Continue. I just check yes. Continue. And it's going to take a minute to install, so I fast forwarded that for you guys. And here we are.
Great.
Linux session. And we head over to our GammaPlay QR code scanner. And we scanned our QR code. I have it on my phone. Here we go. Scan it. And we've got all the information that we need to install ccMiner. So I'm just going to copy this information over here. Perfect. And I am going to paste it. Paste it in. Oops. Paste it in, like that. And it takes also a little while to install. So I'm going to fast forward this also. And here we go. Now we have our ccMiner installed. So you can look back and see the instructions that we have here. We have nano config.json. That's what we're going to do over here. That's it. Let's copy it. Here, I'm just going to type it in. First is cd ccMiner to get to the right directory. Then next nano space config.json. All right, so this is our configuration file. And the first thing we need to do is to choose what pool we are using. I'm using Luck Pool, as you can see. Next, you need to copy and paste your Verus address. In that space. And you could give your device a name. So I put right here with the 100. There you go. Then you go Control X, yes, and enter. Next, you press ./start.sh. And now your Verus miner is running. And we go back to the Play Store. Tap Acurast. We download Acurast Lite. Also takes a few seconds. And then we open Acurast. And then you click on the second button, connect the console. If you already have an account, if not, you could start as new, but I'm connected to the console. Then in the console on my computer, I will click on Add Device, Add New Device. There you go, and then Confirm on the wallet. Then a QR code is going to pop up. I'm going to scan with the phone the QR code, and there you go. It's all done. And you just continue, accept and continue. And it's now currently creating a work profile on your phone. So that way it will keep the Acurast and your daily devices, daily applications separate. That's next. Let's give it a few seconds, and here we go. We are now an Acurast processor. It'll take a few seconds to become active. Perfect. It's loading. Now we're active. And it's going to be attested also in a few seconds. As you've noticed, I hide my my addresses just in case, just to be safe. And attested. So it's all done. Now you have Acurast running on your phone and ccMiner for Verus. So you're mining Verus and you're mining Acurast.